Hello, welcome to Dispatchingo. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a customer. To create a customer you need to go to Sales, Customers, and now you need to decide if you want to create a legal person, which represents a company, or individual. Now I want to create a legal person. I click on Add Customer. I type in the name and I type in the identification number. Click Continue. Now you get to the customer detail where you can fill in all the information you need. You can set the properties. Let's say the company only wants to take luxury cars. About how to create the properties, you can check out our first how-to video. You can also add a note that will be shown to the dispatcher when he selects a particular legal person. Now you fill in the address. You can add the label to the address, and later on you will be able to search this address by the label. You can also provide a note to the driver. In the first video I showed you how to create a template, and now you can choose the templates by clicking on this button right here. You fill in contract information, and you can also fill in the email and the password, which you can provide to the customers, and he'll be able to check all the orders he made, and also he'll be able to edit the customer information. You can add more addresses to the customer. You can set up all the payment details. You can set up default payment type, default tariff, and you can also edit the allowed payment types. The password is here to check that the customer is allowed to put his journey on invoice. So anytime the dispatcher will choose the invoice option, the customer will be asked to say the password. If the company wants to split the invoice in between departments, you can use the cost centers, and that will do the job. You can create cost center by clicking on Add Cost Center. You type in the name, and Dispatchingo will automatically create more invoices for this customer. You can also manage tariffs. You can select which tariffs will be this customer allowed to use, and you can also create fixed tariffs for this customer. Let's say this customer will have fixed tariff from New York City to Boston for $100, and by clicking on the plus you add the tariff. Now you click Save, and now we can move on to another tab. In individuals you'll see the list of all individual persons assigned to a company. How to assign those individuals I will show you in a minute. In the customer care tab you can select a sales representative that you can create in management, sales representatives, and you can track the customer care. You can also create a nickname. If you create a nickname, you can search the company by the nickname in a new order form, and you won't have to use the full name if it's complicated. Now you can click Save, and your customer is created. And now if you want to create an individual person, you go to Sales, Customers, Individual Persons. You click on Add Individual Person. You type in the name. You click Continue, and now you fill in all the information you need. You can check the checkbox Important Person, and it will notify the dispatcher while creating an order. You can select properties, notes. You can assign this person to the legal person. I've created bank a while ago, so I will have it in drop down list here. I will select bank, and I've created a cost centers in the bank legal person. So I will select the cost center management, and when I will create a new order, this will be automatically filled in, and it will save you time and a couple of clicks. The rest of the information is pretty much the same as in the legal person's detail. Instead of branch offices, we have other addresses here. We have settings of payments, tariffs. You can also block vehicles or drivers from the customer. To do that, you can simply add vehicle or add the driver to the list. And as well as in the legal person, you can create a nickname for the quick search. When you click on save, you have successfully created a customer and you'll see him in the listing. Now, if you want to modify the customer information, you can click on the customer and you will get the customer detail. Here you can edit whatever information you need and you click on save. If the customer is assigned to a company, you can go straight to the company profile from here by clicking on this button here. And now you should be ready to start building your customer database. I hope this video helped you, and in the next one I'm going to show you how to manage orders. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel or follow us on social networks. Have a good day.